Hey, what's up, everybody? Got some news here. Got some news. Today is testing day. So 48 hours, in case you guys don't know, 48 hours before you go on cruise, you test for the COVID-19, right? And so you do that. Real easy to do and all that kind of stuff. But anyways, so today was testing day for my wife and I because we go on the Carnival Vista on June 4th. I've been telling you guys about it for a few weeks now. We've been following the Vista and everything. It seems to be working fine. The whole thing with the thing in Jamaica was likely something else other than oil leak, because I haven't heard anything else. So that's good news. So now we pack, right? Well, before you do that, you got to take the test. So my wife and I both tested positive to go on the Carnival Vista. We'll see you on Saturday, okay? Carnival Vista, here we come.